Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you apply it at night and go to sleep in the next morning. Everyone will wonder what's your secret for glowing and fair milky skin naturally and removing suntan, remove blemishes, dark spots, black spots, hyperpigmentation, and get even toned skin, spotless skin naturally with very simple ingredients at home, my friends. This magical remedy works 100% and will get you milky fair skin, and you will notice a great results from first use, and by using it on a regular basis you will get milky fair skin and you will get glowing skin naturally, and it works, my friends. It will get you an amazing results. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you'll be notified to watch it, and you'll get so many beauty tips from me. So my friends, the first thing we need to prepare this magical remedy in a clean mixing bowl, we need to add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, just the normal starch. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and you cannot use baking powder, my friends. It's not the same, it's not gonna give you the same result. You need to use 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then, my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well the dry ingredients together. Now we need 1 lemon, and cut the lemon in half like so, and add around 1 full teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Then, my friends, we need natural milk, and add milk until we get a cream paste, a thick cream paste. Like so, my friends, our magical remedy is ready. Mix it very well. Keep mixing the ingredients until they combine very well together like so. Now our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on a clean skin that has no makeup or dust, and leave it to dry out completely, and then rinse it with lukewarm water, and you will be amazed with the result, my friends. It whitening the skin tone from first use. You will notice a great results, my friends. Use it 3 times weekly to achieve the best result ever, and you will get rid of dark spots, black spots, hyperpigmentation with this simple ingredients, my friends.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.